Welcome to Instaclustr, connecting to your Apache Cassandra cluster. Today, you'll learn how to connect to your new Cassandra cluster you created in the last video. You'll start by gathering some information. Use the connection info link in the left pane underneath the name of your Cassandra cluster. On the right pane, you'll now see connection information for your cluster. You'll find a lot of useful information in this pane, including the public and private IP addresses for your cluster and the default username and password credentials. Keep in mind you'll want to change this password soon after cluster creation, as it is only stored by Instaclustr for 5 days before being made inaccessible. Your next stop is the firewall rules pane. Make sure your computer or application IP is on the allowed list. If not, there is a link below to instructions to add one. Back at the connection info pane, at the bottom, is a list of examples in different programming languages. These allow you to copy and paste the code and use it to quickly connect to your cluster. In the next video, you'll learn more about monitoring your Apache Cassandra cluster. Thanks for watching!